Simple, right? We're going to set up a connection between Freshdesk and Jira Cloud using Exalate. This will let tickets created in Freshdesk sync with work items in Jira that will be automatic, bidirectional, and full control over what gets shared. Let's initiate the connection from the Freshdesk side. Open the Exalate application that you installed earlier, and please go to Connections. Initiate the connection and enter in the base URL of the destination site. Please select script mode, as that is the full capability of Exalate. Local instance, Freshdesk, remote instance, Jira Cloud. Let's initiate the handshake, copy the code, go to Exalate for Jira Cloud, go to Connections, and then now we're going to accept the invitation and click Next. Please select the project where you want to create issues. This can be configured later. Step 1 is done. Step 2 is that we're going to decide when a ticket should go over. This can be done manually if you go to a ticket and click the Exalate button, or automatically. Let's choose the automatic way. Let's go to Triggers, and then here you'll find exactly what we need to do. And we're going to create a trigger, and then if a ticket is new and open, assigned to me, we're going to synchronize with our connection and then activate it. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to go and create a new ticket in Freshdesk. Ticket. I'm going to assign it to myself. And then we are going to create it. Now Exalate is going to synchronize over this ticket automatically, so we can totally let it run in the background. We can also see the status of the ticket if we take the ID, go to Entity Sync Status, enter in the ID, click Search. So we can see it is synchronized. And then if I go to my Jira Cloud, we can see that the ticket is here, and this is bidirectional by default. Let's add in a comment. So I have not touched the connections, and you will see that it is bidirectional. So if I now refresh, then we can see here the comment appeared. Let's configure the tool. So we're going to go to Connections, click Edit Connection. It is a fully decentralized solution, so I can also do this on the Jira Cloud. On a high level, the outgoing sync is responsible for which data is going to get synchronized over. Here you can decide line by line which data is going to get synced over. The outgoing sync of one side will become the incoming sync of the other side, and this replica is the package in between that. Vice versa, same thing happens. On the Jira Cloud side, you can decide which information is going to get sent over, and then on the Freshdesk side, how that information is going to get applied. I have a custom field in Freshdesk, so I'm going to add it here. And then on the incoming sync, I'm going to just do the reverse. And then also I want to synchronize statuses. So I'm going to send over the status from the Jira Cloud side. And then on the Freshdesk side, I'm going to map it like so. If it's to do in Jira, it should be open in Freshdesk. If it's in progress in Jira, it should be pending. Also done in Jira should be resolved. I'm going to publish it on both sides. And that means that right now, if I add a value in this custom field, then this replica will be created. So we can always go to Entity Sync Status, enter in the ID, and then click on Local Replica. Okay, let's go to Entity Sync Status, click on, enter in the ID, and then click on Local Replica. So we can see here that the value is added here. And then in the Jira Cloud side, we can see that the value is applied. Also, the remote number is here and the remote link. So now let's change the status to in progress. And then the same thing is going to happen vice versa. A replica is going to get created. And then on the other side here on Freshdesk, it will be mapped accordingly. Here we can see that the status has changed. Thank you so much for watching, and happy exhalating. Goodbye.